touch the doll's nose.
I found a monkey.
It's gonna be me tomorrow after this Taco Bell I had today.
He's right there. Don't walk forward.
Hey, it's still right there. We can't go anywhere.
Hey, here comes the floating alien. Pivot! Pivot! I just want to find my duck again.
Honey, it's okay, I promise.
Yeah, I brought you a door.
Tony.
Watch out,
Oh, put it. My ring! No!
What?
I got you a diamond. Thanks for breaking my bonsai tree.
Okay, let's think about this before we start throwing bombs around,
Can I
Tony.
get the pink hammer?
I already threw a bomb.
Patricia!